Here we go. Move Liloan versus Tall Patriots for the first game of the inaugural season of the Cebu Hustle 3x3. The first shot and the first possession from Move Liloan, they cannot convert. Bert, tumira ng dos. Not that time, and quick jump shot from both teams to start the game.
Burke played for Division 1 and 2, if I'm not mistaken. Division 2.
Sixth Woman of the Year sa NCAA in the States. But here come Move Liloan now. They go to Timape, but could not catch the pass. You know, you can see clearly a size advantage here on the side of the blue shirts of the Tall Patriots. Now it's about how do you use that?
Well, let's talk about sa larong basketball, height is might. You know, that's correct. Pero sa 3x3, with outside shooting and speed, mawawala yung height advantage.
That's right. But balik sa labas, itong Move Liloan. They're trying to get to their outside shooting to have a chance at this ball game as Tall Patriots start the scoring with that 1 point underneath the basket. For those new to the 3x3 space, we got a 12-second shot clock, 10 minutes ating game, first to 21. Here we go.
Let's talk about yung fouls din.
Yep.
Very important.
Burke passes it to the corner. Nice move. Fades away and the fight for the rebound, and ball goes the other way. Good defense there by Move Liloan.
Maganda yung labanan doon ni Kato Mapao, the counselor of Liloan, and also a beauty pageant contestant for how many years? A former USC Lady Warriors against Zapata. Malaki yan.
Yeah.
He's around 6'1".
Yeah, 3 seconds to shoot for Move Liloan. They have to fire something up. And yun nga, Coach Paul, 12-second shot clock is very fast. You just blink and it's gone.
Exactly. Good point there, Jericho. You need to be very careful. Alam mo, quick decisions. A split time decision is very important in this kind of game.
They go to Burke inside. Nice alley-oop play for the second point of the game for Tall Patriots. The behind the head pass. And that's a turnover for Move Liloan. But you see the connection by these girls in the blue shirts. They get the ball again here, 8:30 to play in this first game. Same play, back outside. Tumira ng dos. Yes, ma'am.
Piñaranda, when in doubt, shoot there. It's 4-0 now. Pitoko, Peke, wala. Pineke, maganda ha?
Oo, nice na sana, but back to Burke outside for two. They get their own miss. Peñaranda looking for options. Pastrana. Back to Burke, the elbow jumper. Not that time. 4-0 ang ating score. Pitogo inside. Pass is deflected. Peñaranda from the corner. That won't go. Burke with the offensive rebound. Big girl moves. Excuse me. 5-0 start. They get the ball back. Peñaranda behind the back feed. Everyone's touching the rock.
Move Liloan having a hard time of this height and quickness for Tall Patriots, yung mga naka-blue uniform.
Yeah.
They just need to fight here. Again, the rules here, we have two brackets, Pool A and Pool B, as Piñaranda again and again.
And Pitogo finally a first basket for Move Liloan. They're finally on the board. But quickly Pastrana inside to the lefty layup. Make it 8-1.
Ganda ng move doon ni Pastrana, kaya pala nag-MVP to.
Yeah.
As Timape missing that shot.
Burke thought about passing that one. She'll take the two herself. That won't go though, and a quick foul. And that's the first foul of this game. Coach Paul, 6 minutes 48 remaining.
Yes, let's talk about the rules again. On the 7th foul, you will be awarded 2 free throws and then 10 fouls above a foul, 2 free throws and a ball possession.
That's a nice move by Zapata there. A lot of big girl moves, and Pastrana will check back in the game. Peñaranda will take a seat. It's a very big lineup. for this Tall Patriots squad. 6.5 minutes remaining in this first game. Nice pass inside. Yun nga lang, huling-huli sa Tall Patriots. They go inside. Zapata! Easy deuce.
What a shot there. 9-10-1.
Oh.
Too much to handle so far for Move Liloan.
And as you see on the replay here, Tall Patriots just inside, dominating the paint and the shaded areas. They force Move Liloan to call timeout. Cebu Hustle 3x3, the inaugural. Presented by IPI, your wellness, our passion. Maxime,
Real ingredients, real nutrients, real nourishment.
as well as our official ball, Molten.
Your best with Pocari Sweat. The University
Pocari Sweat. Be at your best with Pocari Sweat.
Lastly, the Sama.
Two-star Resort, Cebu. SBP Zone 8, the official representative of the SBP for Cebu and Bohol. As we go back into this matchup here, Move Liloan after this timeout, looking for an answer here.
Yes, mahirap yung mga backdoor play dito for Move Liloan. Scott umapaw, making the second point. Kasi nga malalaki eh. You have Zapata there underneath.
Yun nga lang, directly down to the paint.
Right now.
Si Pitogo, natawa na lang eh. Wala kang magawa doon.
Exactly. I mean, after the jump shot by Kat Humapaw, diretsong-diretso sa ilalim. But here comes Move Liloan again. Nice move and the layup is there. 3-11 na. Balik kay Burke sa labas. Tumira ng dos. Not that time. Zapata is there to clean the mess. And the basket counts plus the foul.
It's so nice.
We see you for real.
We need to see it twice. As Zapata, chance of an N1 play in your face.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Paul. As she can extend the lead to 10 here. And there's a lane. Foot on the line. Free throw doesn't count. 12-3 pa rin ang ating score. And here we go. Move Liloan. They've gotten a few baskets here. That's about maintaining that double team. Nice behind the back feed. Got Humapaw. 3 seconds to shoot. They have to fire away. Another shot clock violation. Pasok na sana yun. But
Credit the defense there of Tall Patriots. As you can see, it's so nice. We need to see it twice. That's power play of the game. Hatid sa atin ng smart power play of the game. Powered by Smart Power All 99. Download the Smart app and load now.
as Tall Patriots knock down that two-pointer, make the lead 11, and an out-of-bounds play here, halfway point of this ball game. Tall Patriots just dominating here at the Mountain Wing Atrium at SM Seaside City, Cebu. 2 seconds to shoot for Move Liloan. They have to fire away. And it's the rim.
But ang hirap dito, Jericho, for Move Liloan. Umalis si Zapata, pumalit naman si Burke. As Pastrana there, 1-2, getting his outside shot, the former MVP.
And a quick stoppage in play here. Quick foul. 16-3.
Talking about Ken Pastrana, UAAP season 88, 5v5 and 3x3 MVP.
Yeah.
What a resume, Jericho.
Automatic yan sa UAAP Mythical 5. That's a automatic. Talking about automatic, Kat Humapaw's jumper is there.
Yeah, what a pass there for Owalan. Smart move, not waiting for the defense. As Zapata,
How do you stop that?
no one.
Kat Humapaw will fire away from 2. It's a bit short. Zapata is there on the glass. Berg puts it up short, but they get their own miss. Go inside. Zapata again.
Skillful big man, going to his right, going to his left. What can you say? Tall Patriots of former senator and now secretary of DOLE, Dole, itong si Francis Tolentino. who's now on the stands watching us live,
Yeah.
really supporting his team.
Here we go, Burke for the win. It's back iron. Her shot won't fall. Balik sa labas for move Liloan. And the switch is there.
As Uwatan still not giving up, but mahirap na to, Jericho. Backdoor play!
Beautiful. The basket counts, plus the foul and a chance to win for Tall Patriots. With 3:37 remaining on the clock, marami pang oras ang kanilang natira before this final free throw, if this goes in.
Exactly. Piñaranda trying to win the first game here or wala.
Win it. There you go. That seals it. Tall Patriots will take this first ever Cebu Wasson 3x3 win.
Too much to handle there for Move Liloan. It's not about skills. It's all about height that time. Zapata scoring half the basket. Atid sa atin ng Smart.
Yeah, the power play of the game powered by Smart. Power All 99. Download the Smart app and load now.